Good morning, guys. We are here at my buddy Billy's place. We're doing a cleanup for him so we can mow his lawn because there's some trees blocking my mower access. We've got a lot of work ahead of us. A lot of stuff has grown in, a lot more since we've been here because of the rain, so we got to get cracking. Good morning, guys. It is Saturday morning. Yes, it is a good morning. We are making the dream work. Making it work. Anyways.
That's how we're starting this video.
We're making it work.
Fine.
It's Saturday morning. We are going out to do all of our mow counts. We'll get into our
Half the mow count today.
half today, half tomorrow. We are now up to what, 19 mower counts?
Yeah.
19 mower counts now. So we went from just what, a month and a half ago having like 4 to 19. So we're finally starting to get up there. We're filling up our Fridays and our Saturdays and Sundays with mower counts, which
Sundays
is what I want.
mostly filled up now.
Yeah, Sundays pretty much packed schedule. We don't have any time on Sundays anymore. Saturdays we're trying to fill up. We got 2 new accounts we're starting today, right? Derek's grandma's and Darlene's lot.
Yeah.
Yeah, so two new ones we're starting today, and then tomorrow we're starting just one more. Chris is new. Isn't
Yeah.
it? Yeah. But we're getting to our regular customer today that we couldn't mow last week. We moved into a bi-weekly because his backyard is getting too crazy with the rain. We moved to a weekly. From a bi-weekly to a weekly because the grass in his backyard is getting too crazy. So now we're going to start doing his weekly. We couldn't do it last week, Sunday was supposed to be our first one, but it rained, and his house is built on top of reclaimed farmland right next to a creek, so it was just too mushy. We couldn't do it. Last week we were able to do the other ones in the rain because all of our other accounts were on top of sand. This week, the last rain was Wednesday?
Yeah.
Wednesday? So we should be good on all of our accounts today. So I'm not going to film too much on any of the regular accounts. I'll film on the new accounts.
We have 3
today.
new accounts today.
Oh, 3.
Really.
Oh yeah, and Billy. We're the tree jump from yesterday, we're doing that. And on the tree jump, I'll talk to you about that later on. Nice. But I didn't notice some things when I went and did the estimate, so we got most of it.
Noticed nothing off the estimate, and his pictures are not anywhere in the estimate. I don't know what trees you.
We got most of it done, so I'll talk to y'all later. Morning, guys. It is Sunday, and we're here at our first commercial. You know the place? Sorry you didn't film yesterday. Ended up yesterday being the hottest day of the year so far. It was like 91, and the heat index was like 101 plus another. So we didn't really feel like filming or trying to be all that entertaining, so to say. So I'm gonna try to film today. I got a helper today. This is Eric.
How you doing?
Leanne got hot yesterday. We're going on vacation tomorrow, which I'm gonna make a video for that and post it on this channel. I'll post it on my other channel too, but I decided to give her the day off, let her stay home, sleep in, clean, pack, and everything like that, so she's not exhausted tomorrow morning when we're driving 4 hours. So that's that. I got 1 new account to do today, and another one that's we did a couple weeks ago. I didn't film. I'm going to try to film on it. So I'm only going to try to film on those 2 accounts because they're new. Everywhere else you've seen a couple dozen times. So I'll see y'all later, and look forward to that vacation video. We're going to be floating down the river and doing some fishing. So see y'all later.